Hello guys, 안녕하세요, konnichiwa. This is Speak Up. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Oh yeah.
Okay, one more.
Yeah, a little.
Okay, that's.
I think the most or
You are doing really well.
oh really? Okay, wait. I want to make that a very good click, hit, and subscribe. For oh yeah, I need to say that right. Speak Up is a blessing for non-English speakers. Hi, my name is Anna, and yep, like the Frozen character, I'm 24 years of age, and I've been teaching English for 3 years now. I can teach IELTS, TOEIC, and ESL as well. Actually, I graduated with the degree of tourism, but I decided to become a teacher to show you and to help students learn English. I'm a very flexible teacher. I can teach you in flexible ways. So if we're using Skype, I can do some screen shares or send you some screenshots. And don't you worry, I'll be providing you with the materials that you'll be needing. You don't need to worry about anything else, but just to come to your classes every day. As I also give some patterns, ones that you can memorize easily and make use in your daily life. Also, I can give you some idiomatic expressions that you can use when you're communicating with foreigners. I think the most or the major advantage of online classes is actually it's very cheap. As we all know, learning a language nowadays is very, very expensive. So I think online classes are alternatives for these man-to-man classes. At the same time, it's very global. In this kind of way, you can actually meet a lot of foreigners, not just Koreans, not just Japanese, but of course Filipino teachers who can actually teach you English in a different way and a different style, which is very easy for you to understand. I think Speak Up is a non-profit community which helps students from different nationalities and different races to meet and also communicate with different teachers from different parts of the country, like the Philippines. I think they're doing a great job because this can actually help you focus more on English and at the same time know more about the culture of the person, of the teacher that you're trying to communicate to. In my 3 years of experience teaching English, I think the best method to learn English is actually shadowing. Through this method, you can actually hear native speakers speak the language, and at the same time, you have the chance to imitate or to mimic whatever the speaker is saying. At the same time, it's also a good method memorizing some patterns or idiomatic expressions and try to use or practice this every day to be able to learn it by heart. For more details and information, please refer to the description below. Also, if you have further questions, you can leave a comment and I'll make sure to answer your questions ASAP. So that's it for today. I hope to see you in my class. Bye-bye!